Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be breaking down Fintech, the top 5 Fintech stocks to buy in 2021. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, I do have a course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. It'll be the first link down below, so at least check it out. So now, to jump into it, roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So now, what is Fintech? I'm sure you guys heard of the sector. It's a very, very broad sector in my opinion. But what it is any stock that has new technology in the financial sector. So this could be companies like Square, this could be companies like PayPal, and a variety of other ones. We'll get more in depth with all the companies here. So let's talk about the top 5 Fintech stocks now that we kind of have a good idea of what Fintech is. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that I think every investor should at least look at is probably one of my favorite stocks for 2021, and this is ticker symbol SQ. This is Square. Square has been absolutely killing it. For those of you that don't know what Square is a online bank that owns the Cash App and owns a variety of other things that a lot of small businesses use for credit card processing. They have Bitcoin, and you guys can now buy and sell stock on the Cash App. So they own a variety of things in the financial sector here. This stock has beautiful growth, and if you guys compare this to other brick and mortar stores, they have very, very high expenses. This has low expenses, low customer acquisition, which is really, really strong here. Now, the second stock is Green Dot. Green Dot doesn't have as much growth here, but is definitely a stock you guys should at least look at. Looking at support and resistance, you guys can see it has very strong resistance at 57, support here at 53. Stock has a nice upward trend and really likes to use this 200 moving average line as support. You guys can see it comes in contact, boom, buying pressure at all of this yellow line here, the 200 moving average line. So I do think the stock does have a ton of long-term potential. For those of you that don't know what Green Dot is a online bank, and you guys can buy, their little debit cards from like Walmart. So the company is getting into a variety of sectors here, but it's a great company to at least look at here. No dividend from this one, but this next one I believe pays one here. And this is Morgan Chase. Morgan Chase is a brick and mortar store, but they've really, really focused on online banking in 2020 and going into 2021 because of all these lockdowns. People can't go out. So JP Morgan really focused on the online part of banking. Beautiful upward trend. One of the main reasons why I like this one is because we get dividends from it. So you guys can compound your money. Make sure you guys are signed up with a broker that does offer DRIP because you will make a lot more money. Look at this right here. You guys can see why. So I do think this is a perfect stock to hold, especially for the long term. It's not going anywhere anytime soon here. Another fantastic stock here in that Fintech, we did mention it earlier, is PayPal. One of the main reasons why I like PayPal is because PayPal is more than just sending money and more than probably what you think of. PayPal makes a ton of money off a variety of things, but PayPal is one of the first companies to actually allow buying and selling Bitcoin and buying and sending Bitcoin. One of the bigger companies that is now offering that. So I do think that's a huge thing. Very, very getting ahead of the sector here. Stock does have a lot of long and short-term potential. You guys can see it's breaking out of this resistance. So I do think now it's going to act as new support and continue to rally up, which is really, really strong here. So this one is PayPal. Moving on to the last stock here, but hey, it's not a stock, it's an ETF. So this is ARK Fintech. So really what this is this is a ETF that has a lot of awesome fintech stocks in it. You guys can see just by look at these holdings right here, right there. Look at those holdings. You guys can see why this stock or ETF has had beautiful growth with all those holdings in it. The expense ratio is under that 1% rule. It has about 35 to 55 holdings in it at every given time. This stock and ETF does carry a lot of long-term potential. It's backed by ARK Invest. The portfolio manager is Kathy Wood. So I do think this ETF isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And the thing about Fintech is we are getting more and more reliable on it, which is really strong. I think it's a very, very undervalued sector at the moment. I think looking back, 3-4 years down the road, we're going to be like, oh, I wish I would have bought more Fintech stocks, guys, because people understand you don't need to actually go inside a brick and mortar bank anymore to deposit checks and, just figure out payments and stuff like that with banks nowadays. You can do it all online, which is really, really strong, guys. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS for 50% off. Thank you guys for all the views. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. It's going by quick, so make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.